Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the Internet Specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2014 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This is a 5-door model and it's finished in deep impact blue metallic, which is lovely. It's had 2 owners from new, so you'll be the 3rd owner. It's really good for a 10-year-old vehicle. I believe it was originally the dealership's vehicle demonstrator, and then the previous owners had it 10 years, so that's excellent. It's been really well looked after as well. I'll take you inside the car now. It does have a couple of optional extras on it, including the metallic paintwork. The Ford sync system was another option on the vehicle, and also the space saver spare wheel, so that's excellent. So you've got the control on the steering wheel for your volume and your phone calls. Bluetooth connectivity as well is excellent, and you do also have DAB radio, so they're all nice modern features. As you can see, very low mileage as well, just 33,556 miles. That's excellent. You'd normally expect to see that from a 3 to 5 year old Fiesta, and this is just over 10 years old now. So leather wrapped steering wheel as well, which is great. You do also have aircon, and my favourite feature is the Ford quick clear screen. I don't know if you can really see it. You might be able to see the lines in the screen. That basically means it defrosts really fast, which is excellent, and demists. You've got the cloth seats in black, nice. And you've got a light headlining, so it's bright and airy inside. I'll show you the service history now. As I say, it's been really well looked after the vehicle, which is always great to know. The services here. So it had its pre-delivery inspection on the 16th of June 2014 at Pine Motors. It was serviced there on the 1st of June 2016 at 7,649 miles. On the 12th of June 2017 at 11,032 miles. On the 11th of June 2018 at 13,641 miles. 13th of June 2019 at 18,042 miles. 20th of November 2020 at 22,782 miles. 12th of November 2021, 24,000 miles. 27th of October 2023 at 28,000 miles. And most recently it was done on the 25th of October 2024 at 32,522 miles. So hardly any between there. That's excellent. As you can see, the next service isn't due till October. So great history on the vehicle. It's been incredibly well looked after. It's also the non-turbo model, so it's a more reliable vehicle as well, which is great to know. And it's got the 5-speed manual transmission. I'll take you around to the boot now. Practical hatch, you've got a warning triangle as well, and then you've got your space saver spare wheel under there, which is excellent. So that was an option. As you can see, it doesn't look like it's been used, so that's great. Nice peace of mind should you ever need it that you've got it there. And you've got a useful handle there to shut the boot. It is nice and light as well. You do also have the Ford Easy Fuel system, which is great. You don't have to fiddle with a cap, you just put the fuel in, and that's that. So all in all, it's a lovely vehicle. Would make an excellent first car. They really are great first vehicles. Safe, reliable, efficient, really great cars, nice to drive as well. If you do have any questions about this Fiesta, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to help. Give us a call on 01539 760 371 and we can answer any questions you've got. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you very shortly.